Here we're going to walk through creating a bar chart. So this is something that you will use if your variable is categorical. So we will use shops, and if we go into variable view, we can see that shops is coded such that 1 is JP's, 2 is Lamangelo's, 3 is Starbucks, and 4 is other. So going back to our data view, we go up to graphs and click on chart builder, and you will get a couple of chart builder blocks that pop up. This first one here, just hit OK. Then you have all these choices in the bottom left. We will click on bar, and we will simply use a simple bar chart. You just click on it and drag it up to where it says drag a gallery chart here. We do that, you let go, and a bar chart pops up there. And it's possible that when that pops up, you will get a box that looks like this. That's an Elements Properties box pops up. You can keep that open. I'm going to close it just so I can show you how to get to that if you need to. So here we have our chart, and we wanted to do shops, so we just dragged shops into our x-axis. And it's possible here, like it says count, that we want something different than that. If that's the case, you hit that element properties box and that properties box pops up. So for example, we could change it rather than count to percentage, and you would just hit apply in your elements properties box, and it changed in your chart builder to percentages. So we hit OK, and our output document box is going to pop up along with a graph that should look something like that. Now if you want to add some things to your graph, you can do that. Just right click on it in this output box and edit content in separate window. This is going to allow you to put like percentages and stuff in your bars on your chart. So when you get here, you can right click on your chart editor and go down to show data labels, and here now it's displayed the percentage inside your bars right here. So you could pull up shop and put that in there as well and hit apply, and they're both in there. And then you can just close out of this and close your chart editor, and it makes the changes in your output box as well. Another thing that we want to quick look at here is if you wanted to make a graph with two categorical variables. So for example, if we wanted shops and gender in there, what we would do is go to this bar again, but we would use a clustered bar and drag that up there, and shops is already in our x-axis, and if we pull gender over to cluster on X, set color, now you would have a bar chart that has both genders represented in it. So you'd hit OK, and in your output box you would get a bar chart where female is blue and male is green. And this is count on this side rather than statistics because we didn't change that in our element properties box.